My name is Daniel Jose Ruiz. I teach English and composition at LA City College, and I use the technology and software in my English 101 freshman composition class. The asset I used in my lesson was a 3D model of the Pantheon, and I used it as a metaphor for the construction of a body paragraph. Many of my students found it to be accessible and engaging in a way that they were not expecting. So the difficulties I encountered in the lesson was how to take English composition, which is not an inherently visual pedagogy, and turn it into a visual pedagogy. I want them to see it first as just one big structure, because that's often how students approach writing body paragraphs. It's just a thing. But by actually turning on the tags and then being able to look and see that there's a lot on the outside to look at, and then here of kind of the wall and the kind of idea of formatting and just visually how something looks on a page. But then when a student actually goes inside, we get into a lot of the meat, which is a nice part of using the 360 model, is this kind of three-dimensionality of being able to really look in and see. And of course, going through here, I have it all done in a specific pattern. So, as I communicate at the very beginning of just go through the list and go through an order, and it'll walk you through everything you need to do. I believe it improved learning and engagement for my students, as the students that took part in the exercise did better on their final assignments than students who did not. I will continue to develop virtual reality lessons for the classroom, as I find them quite effective.